Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to make one-page landscape in Word. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply put your cursor down below of the first page, and from here just simply go ahead and go to layout and go to breaks over here, and now go for next page. And from here, it will put the cursor to the next page. And from here, just go ahead and go to orientation. And from here, just make it a landscape. So guys, as you can see, when you do that, everything will be landscape. So in order for you to change that, just simply put the cursor down below as well. So I'm going to put it at the very bottom. And from here, just go to breaks again and then go for next page again. And after that, just go ahead and go for orientation and go for portrait in order for you to make a one page as a landscape. And that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.